Hello, this is the voice of Mr. Solution. So please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. And if you have any question, you have anything you need to be cleared on concerning cryptocurrency trading, you can contact me through any of my social media channels, my WhatsApp, my Twitter, and also you can contact me on Telegram. Alternatively, you could join our trading group on Telegram through to the Signal group and everything. The link to all these channels they are the description section of this video, so you can easily navigate down to get all of them. Okay, so on this very episode, I intend to walk us through the overview the of Binance Interface to show us how it works. And currently I'm already signed in, I'm already logged in, and then this is actually their Nigerian this is the interface for Nigerians. Okay, this is the Binance for Nigerians. Okay, so that's why you can see this green, white, and green flag showing here, showing us that it's basically for Nigerians. Okay, so this is binance.com.ng. All right, so let's go ahead, and then here you can see buy crypto. This is where you can buy with your bank deposit to deposit your naira and buy crypto. You can use your credit debit card. I am not sure this is working for us yet, because a lot of persons have complained that they tried it, it couldn't go through. Then we have the P2P, that's peer-to-peer trading. We have the cash balance, and then the third-party payments using Simplex. Okay, now after that we get to the market section of it. This is the market section where you get to buy your coin of choice. You see the different coins available, you can trade them. You can, just to give you a brief overview of the few coins. Okay, the coins available, you can see them here, all pair with their different pairs. This one is LTC paired with BNB, LTC with BUSD, LTC down USDT, LTC Ethereum, and all that. Okay, so this is just the coins available at the market section. And remember, we have the sports market, we also have the futures market. So currently this is the sports market. So what it means is that all these coins here are all found in the sports market. If you're not interested in if you are interested in trading futures, go right here and click on futures, and then you will see the various coins that are traded on the futures market. Okay, so these are the coins you can see on the futures market, the coin that can be traded on the futures market. Here they are. This is a list of all of them. Okay, and then if you now want to go to the normal trading, okay, this is where you get to do that. We have the convert section. Convert is when you can easily convert from one coin to another. That's what the convert section does for you. We have the classic, simple and easy to use interface. We have the advanced, we have the margin, and then P2P. Then we also have the derivatives. Derivatives is where you get to trade the futures, USDT futures, coin futures, vanilla options, leverage tokens, and then battle to win long versus short and all that. Okay, this is for the leverage tokens. Okay, this is for the leverage tokens. Okay, so that's that. Okay, for the finance section, that's maybe you want to participate in the pool, you want to participate in the loan or the liquid swap or any other thing. This is just for this is where you get to do that. Then this is the wallet section that shows you what you have in your accounts, the fiat and sports, the margin, futures, P2P wallet, pool wallet, and all that. Okay, this is where you get to do that. Then for the orders, this shows you your various executed orders and your orders that are still present. We have the spot order, the margin order, futures orders, P2P order, and keeps going on and on. Okay, for this thing, this bell icon here, this a place that shows you if you have any message. This is where your message normally comes. Okay, any message you have, this is where it normally shows. Okay, so currently I have 99 plus messages which I have not really opened. Perhaps I think they are not really important. So because majorly whenever I log into to my account using another device, they usually send me this notification to tell me that someone has accessed my account, so to know if I'm truly the one that authorized such sign in. All right, so let's now take it up to the crypto trading. Let's use advanced. Okay, for the advanced, and we can see here we have the what we have here is BTC USDT. That's the coin we'll be using for this. Okay, for this teaching, for this tutorial, we have BTC USDT. That's what we have here now. Okay, so this is called the order book. Okay, the order book comprises of both the sell and the buy. Okay, the green are the buys and the red are the sell. So these green are the various, this price is the various price that people want to buy. This is the various price that people want to sell. Then here is for your chart. Okay, you want to chart, you want to do your analysis and all that. This is where you get to do it. Okay, just toggle on this thing here, just tap on it. See get the other tools that you'll be needing for your analysis will pop up. Okay, you can see them here. These are the tools you'll be needing for your analysis. So once you are done, you can also toggle it again. It will just close. Okay, it will close automatically for you. All right, so this is where you get to do your analysis. And let's say you're not okay with the data here, you are not okay with it, and maybe it's too small for you to analyze. You could just go ahead and click on, okay, you could click on this expansion. It expands for you. Okay, it expands for you, and when you're done, you can easily go back. Okay, still click on it again, go back. Or alternatively, if you're not, this thing is, if you feel it's not okay, you can still navigate to the trading view. To just take you to trading view. Okay, what it means is that these charts now you're seeing here are the ones that can be found on trading view. So you can see a chart by trading view. So this one is from trading view. The chart you're seeing here, the data here is from trading view. Okay, so this from trading view website. And then after that, you can see this thing here. If you're not okay with this dark theme, you can easily switch to another color. We have the white theme, but preferably I love the dark theme because of my eyes. Okay, then you can also do some configurations here too. Maybe you just want to change the colors of all these things. You have the traditional, and then we also have the fresh. Okay, I prefer the fresh. Okay, so you see it's changed it to pure green and red. Okay, then let me still switch this to dark color, dark theme. Okay, so that's that. Okay, here it shows you the different coins available, the different coins tradable on the market. Here, this is where you get to see them. You can easily search for it. Let's say you want to search for LTC. You see LTC, put it there, then the various pairs of LTC will show. You now choose the one you're okay with, or maybe you want to search for BNB, put BNB there, then the various pairs of BNB will show you. Then choose the one you want to trade with. Okay, you want to the one you want to trade with, and also the one you want to analyze. So market trades shows you all the trades that have occurred so far in the market, the various buys and sell that have taken place. This is where you get to see that. Then my trades are your own trades that have taken place, your own trades that you've been able to execute. Okay, both your buys and sell. This is where you get to see it, your own trades. That's where you see. Then you see market activities here: BUSD, USDT, large sale, ZIL, BTC, 24-hour low, and all that. We don't really need to concern ourselves with all these things. Okay, so here is where you can do your buy and your sell. Okay, you buy BTC, and then amounts. This is where you do your sell, you buy and you sell. Okay, you buy and you sell. This one is for features. Okay, this is the features aspect of it. That's why we have cross and we have isolated. Okay, this is for the features trading, not basically this for features. If you're doing features, this is either cross or you're isolated. Alternatively, you stay on spots. Okay, but if you're doing features, you could either use cross leverage or isolated, cross margin or isolated margin. Alternatively, stick with spots. Okay, so but it depends on what you want to do. Then coming down, you can see open orders. Open order shows you the orders you have, whether you still have a sell or a buy order that has not been executed. You get to see them here. You have order history. Order history shows you the history of your orders so far, the orders that have taken place. Then the trade history shows you your trade so far. Okay, funds, maybe funding rate and all that. Okay, maintenance margin and all that. This is where you get to see it. Okay, so here it shows you the field total and trigger conditions and all that. That's when you have an open order. Currently there is no open order here because I'm currently not trading here. I'm currently not using the I'm currently not trading. Okay, this is just to show us how the interface works. So that's for that. And then we can still let's check the going to the trade again. Let's still use the classic. Let's simple and easy to let's to use another type of interface. It's a bit different, but the difference is not really that glaring. difference is not really that obvious, almost the same thing, so to say. Okay, just that maybe there's just a little one or two differences. Okay, so that's just that. So it just depends on the one you're okay with, the one you want to trade with, the one that is you're very comfortable with. So you can always switch between interface, but if you're switching interface, just make sure you understand thoroughly what you're up against. Make sure you know what you're doing. Okay, make sure you understand the interface you're trading with, so that you don't get to make mistakes and all that. Okay, so you see, I toggled this thing, it brought me to trading view. Okay, but then we are not using trading view. Let's quickly go back to where we were. Let's go back to where we were, and we're back to where we were, and then this is just still the same thing. Okay, so you can see there really not much difference between this and between the advanced and the classic. Classic and advanced is nearly the same thing. Then we have the margin. We are not concerned with this, we are not worried about this, that's not what we are doing. Okay, so that's that. Remember, the market shows you the various coins in the market. This is where you get to choose the coin you want to trade depending on your conditions. What are the things you look out for before you decide to trade this very coin? Okay, so you sort them out according to, could sort them out according to volume, we could sort them out according to price or any other condition that it's convenient for you. Okay, after looking them up, then assuming we want to trade, let's say want to trade 1 inch USDT, and perhaps this is a coin that meets our different, our various criteria. Okay, it's 1052.3 15% so far, so we really want to trade it, so we just tap on it and then it loads for us, loads and then brings us to this very place. So this is where we get to do our analysis. This is where we get to chart it up and then decide if it is okay for us to go ahead and buy, or maybe we should wait. Okay, so this is where we get to do our analysis. It's still coming up though. Okay, after the analysis, we now decide if this coin is okay for us to go ahead and buy. If it's okay, we go place our buys and all that. Okay, so see, here is the chart. You can see that for some time the coin was going down, kept going down, kept, then up to this very point it shot up and it's been going down. So far it has gone as high as 53 point something percent so far, so that's quite cool, that's quite appreciable. Okay, that's good, that's beautiful. Okay, as a rule, you don't buy a coin that has gone this high, you don't buy a coin that has gone this high. Okay, so this is just the brief overview of the Binance interface if you're using your desktop. Okay, alternatively, you can also download the Mac and the Windows version for it. We have the Mac OS, you can download it then, or you can download the Windows version of the Binance Exchange. Okay, so thank you so much, and then I will see you in the next episode.